Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to redeem a PS5 gift card for V-Bucks. It's really easy and simple. Well, let me show you. This is the official FAQ, right? So, you can actually get V-Bucks using your, PS5 gift card. So, first let me explain to you how you use this gift card. So, you just go to your PlayStation Store on your PS5 or even your PS4, right? Or the PlayStation app, web browser, sign in and just select your profile, followed by redeem code, and just enter the 12-digit code, and then that will be applied to your account as a credit. Now, this is how you buy V-Bucks, okay? So you go to their store in Fortnite, right? Go to buy the V-Bucks, and then just when you are in the checkout, just use your PlayStation Store credits. Really that easy and simple. Okay? So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.